Hi friends, Deborah here from The Prep Pursuit. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today as I share with you how to properly send an email as a lady. As I talk about in my videos, there is a difference between a woman and a lady. Every female is a woman, but not every woman is a lady. A lady is defined as a woman who is polite, refined, and well-spoken in everyday interactions. As you're sending emails, I want you to notice if you find these 4 elements in emails that you're receiving as well. So take a look, listen up, and let's learn how to send emails. Now I have to be honest with you. I check my email more than I check Facebook. It's my primary means of communication for both personal and business use, aside from text messaging, of course. But needless to say, I'm on my email all the time, and I'm sure you are as well. So I want to make sure that you're sending emails as you should. Each email should have 4 components, and let's go through those. That way you know how to send emails properly as a lady. The first component is a subject line. Now let's take an example. If you're sending an email to a colleague with a term paper attaching an outline, you want to make sure that you're using an appropriate subject line so that the person receiving it can know what to expect before opening that email. If you leave it blank or you just put something random in the subject line, unless it's an inside joke, the person won't likely understand or even recognize what this email is about. Now, if I'm receiving an email that I don't recognize from either a sender or a subject line that seems a little bit weird or unknown to me, I may not open it for a while. So if you want your emails to be priority, then make sure you're using an appropriate subject line and no one will ever get confused exactly what you're sending in that email. Now the second component of a proper email is a greeting. Let's use our term paper example. If you're sending an email to your colleague, you could attach the outline and just leave that and send it off, but that's not sending an email as a lady. You want to include a greeting. Hello, Jackie. Hey, John. Good morning, Bob. That way, every time you're sending an email, the person receiving it will feel honored and recognized when they open that email. That's the second thing they'll see. The first thing is the subject line. The third component of a proper email is a concise message. Keep it short and sweet, ladies. You just want to make sure that you're including only what you need to get your point across, while also including all of the important information and not leaving anything out. So if you're going to be emailing an outline, you can leave 1 or 2 sentences just explaining, hey, I'm attaching the outline, let me know your thoughts, and that leads into our last component of a proper email, the closing. You don't want to just leave an email blank after you have your message. You're going to close it. You can say, thank you, best regards, best wishes, talk to you soon, or even just best. And you always want to have that followed by your name. You can always choose whether you want to put your first and last name or just your first name. Either is fine, but you want to make sure that you do close the message appropriately. So let's recap. A proper email will have a subject line, a greeting, a concise message, and also a closing. Make sure that as you're sending your emails, you are doing them in a timely manner and you're always respectful of those that you are communicating with. Now, of course, I want to know what your tips are for email, or if you have any great stories or even better, horror stories, share it in a comment below. Why? Because we can learn from it. We're all here to share and exchange information with others, and if you've got a great story, feel free to share it. I'd love to see what you've encountered with emails. Now, I talk about style, etiquette, and culture on this channel. Each and every week I post a new video. So if you're interested, feel free to subscribe and you'll never miss a post. If you found this video helpful, I hope that you'll pass it along to a friend or colleague that can use the advice. And don't forget to find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to stay connected. I will see you in another video to help you live a chic and polished life. Thank you for watching. Bye.